So these instructions that I'm going to talk about here deal with the different checkpoints that are the focus notes on the different Bozeman Science videos that you will complete in the Cornell or focus note template that you see below the video here. One of the hints that I want to make sure that you get here on these when you're watching these videos, I recommend strongly you find the study guide that pertains to this topic. So checkpoint 6 is the study guide for photosynthesis, and then when you get to respiration, checkpoint 13 will be the study guide for cellular respiration. And the idea here is to look at the study guide, because you'll see that I do have questions that I wrote based upon the video that you see. So based upon these questions, as you watch the video and take your notes, you should be able to answer them. So my recommendation is to just simply, you can click right here on the taskbar and right click and copy it, and I would put those questions into the focus note template under the question section. I would just simply paste them there. They will go in. And then as you're watching the video over here in the notes section, and I would turn on the number to number. And so question 1, when it asks, when you see the answer for what other organisms besides plant undergo photosynthesis, you can simply answer it. Or, as some students do, they actually will paste the questions over here into the notes section and simply click underneath the question and answer it as the video is going on. It's up to you how you choose to do it. But there will be times that you probably want to use the snip feature to clip out different graphics from the video to include in your notes. That will always is helpful, as you'll see that I will probably do the same when you encounter that practice test. So this was just some helpful hints of how to do these different focus notes, and you'll see that there are quite a few videos that you will be doing both in cellular respiration when you get to it, as well as photosynthesis. So hopefully that will give you kind of a heads up.